Oh, you guys can't see me. God damn it. Alrighty, I'm starting up a new trend. You know how these guys do like speed runs through Macca's as to how fast you can order, get your order, pay for it, everything? I'm gonna do brand new timed laps to see how quickly everyone can make it through North Lakes. I left at 11 o'clock. It's now 2 days later. I got stopped at every single red light in the history of the world. And yeah, that's my life. Today I planned to paint the rest of the rims for the R33. It needs to be done. I also have the wheels that are currently on it. I love the bronze, but the other thing is the fact that the bronze wheels that are currently on it have bold front tires, and the 265s end up scrubbing in the rear. They are just way too big for that car. So we're gonna put the 255s back on it today. We're also gonna put the 215 fronts on it. Should look a whole lot nicer, and actually have wheels that fit. So yeah, super stoked. Let's get inside Bunnings. Let's go get some painting supplies. I've also got the wheel paint as well, the same stuff from before. I had to split it up over 2 Repco trips, so well, what can you do? Anyway guys, let's head inside. So I will admit, I did go a bit over budget today. So since I got the Ryobi stuff up here, I've had to sort of switch between the 1/4 inch I have here and the 1/2 inch socket sets just to make stuff work. And I have like these tiny little, I don't know, you guys might, actually do I even have any at the moment? I don't know, I probably lost them all. But I have all these little tiny adapters that I could go from like a massive big 1/2 inch drive or down to a 1/4 drive from the 3/8 that it has on there. So I just feel like with the little tiny adapters that are on there, the 1/2 inch just feels too big, and I hate having all those tiny little adapters, and then if I lose it, I can't use it. Or use a tiny little 1/4 inch adapter, and I'm worried about it breaking. The little tiny adapters I have are like a cast alloy. They're absolutely terribly bad. I actually got them in America over at Harbor Freight. So today, I thought I'd lash out, and I bought myself a good quality 3/8 drive set. So this one here I've been looking at for a while now. Managed to pick it up for 120 bucks. Been wanting one for so long. So the other 2 sets I have as well are both Sid Chrome. I really like Sid Chrome. I've had them for, actually my dad, for my 16th birthday, gave me a, 17th birthday, gave me my first ever Sid Chrome 1/2 inch. And then I bought the 1/4 inch by myself. And this one here, I bought myself too. And I actually just realized it's not actually in a hard case. It's all like super nice actually. So this one here is going to live. I thought this one came with a hard case. I'm silly. Oof. Ooh, they look so good. So I thought I'd get this set here. It comes with everything from 8 to 22. But not only that, also goes from 8 to 22 in deep sockets as well. I've never actually had a set of deep sockets, which I know I'm going to need in the future one day. I've never had deep sockets, but I've needed them all the time. Also comes with a tiny little 3/8 ratchet, which is awesome. Nice little rubber handle and everything. Man, if I ever got a sponsorship from Sid Chrome, I would be so happy. Oh, and also have no idea how I lasted this long without a set of these. I have never, ever owned a set of Allen keys. I'm stupid. They were 12 bucks. As much as I like these white wheels, they have to change. They always get way too disgusting, way too dirty, and I hate cleaning them every second day. These ones here actually don't look too bad. I pulled them off and I regularly clean these ones, but the other ones that I had sitting around the side of the house, they're in the sun every day. They turned yellow, probably because I just used terrible paint. I just used that Australian export stuff. It was like $2 a can, it was perfect. They came out really nice and they have like a really nice finish to them, but I just can't clean them all the time. And I like the look of the bronze against the skyline too. It kind of breaks it up and gives it a bit more of an aggressive sort of look. So today we're gonna fix these up here. This is the last that I have of these wheels. I have some 17x9s, I have some 18x9.5s, 2 1.5 tires and 2 5.5 tires. So these ones here are the fronts. Yeah, should look sick. Let's do it. So you guys have seen me paint more than enough things. So today, just gonna put the camera down, just relax, get this over and done, smashed out, see how nice it comes out, because I love doing this painting stuff. I'm getting so good at it, I'm so happy. And fair enough, I've done it in probably half the videos that I put out on my channel, but yeah, no, it's come out super nice. I love the color. Oh, if you guys don't know what color I'm going that nice brown color again, I'll show you. I was ultra happy with the finish. Like, they came out so amazingly that I've decided to just go the same color. They look amazing in the sun too. I love this color of wheel. However, I'm kind of thinking that the red doesn't really pop against the brown as much. I kind of think that maybe I should do a white brake caliper. I don't know, what do you guys reckon? I could do that. It would take me no time at all. That'd be pretty sick. Alright, so now that I've made a right mess of my hands, my brand new shirt, my camera, and Sarah's good quality headphones, I now have these all sanded back. They're just so powdery and disgusting, and oh man, this Australian export paint just really didn't do well. So anyway, as always, we're going to wash all the dust off with some Reset. This is a pH neutral soap, which is going to be just mixing in with some water, go over the whole lot with a microfiber, dry them all off, or rinse them, dry them, and then we'll start masking them off. And then we should be good to just paint them. Let's send them out in the grass. How good's that? What more could you want? Rightio, so I got a Bliss and Esso rolling. About to paint these wheels. I'll show you all the stuff we're going to be using today. I'm going to use some different stuff again, but the same color. I'll show you guys what. So Repco make this sort of all surface primer sort of stuff. It was super cheap, and I was just wondering how it goes because the primer that I got last week was 20 bucks and it was still terrible. I'm going to be using this wheel color as well. You guys know how much I love this wheel color. Then we also have some Jupi color clear as well. The one thing I really love about the Jupi color stuff, especially these ones here, is the nozzles as well. Heaps easy to use these nozzles. Not these ones here, but heaps easier to use, and you can actually get like a really nice job just using those spray paint nozzles. I just find them like way better. That's terrible. Yeah, note to self, never get Repco primer. Alrighty, so I have been painting for the last 3 hours-ish. I'm currently jacking it up. Just doing stuff. These wheels turned out heaps nicer than the other ones. The one wheel where the paint went weird, the primer, looks trash. The rest of them actually look really nice. But they actually look a little bit brighter, considering the fact that I didn't put primer on them. They're still white undercoat, so they come up a little bit brighter. But no, the wheels look really nice. So I'm gonna chuck these ones back on because these are the ones that fit and they have tread. And then maybe we might take it out for a mountain run tonight if Sarah wants to come. So, oh yeah, Alex is here.
Yo.
Hi.
What's going on?
Yeah, nothing much.
And rowdy.
Is it?
Very loud, rowdy, and fast.
Your car's about to be fast and rowdy too. We're not saying anything though. That's it. Alright, yeah, let's check out the car, chuck these wheels on. Alrighty, so originally we were going to take the Skyline out tonight to go sort out just go take it for a mountain run actually, because Alex's car's here, Max's car's here. We're going to take out Chloe, Tonya, and Sarah. But then again, of course, the R33 doesn't want to play nice. Is that right?
Why don't you just play ball? Why don't you just clean that?
Yeah.
AFM out again.
I can. I just don't have any cleaner for it. The AFM's screwing up again. It's doing weird spluttery things. It might actually be okay if it warms up, but
No, it was okay when you unplugged it though.
Yeah,
so
yeah, that's it. It was okay when I unplugged it.
yeah, and then it'll go in limp mode if you leave it out.
Yeah, no, if I leave it out, it won't rev past 3, and the rest of the engine won't be getting its O2 sensor things. So we'll try and figure out what the issue is, and then hopefully tomorrow's video you guys will see a mountain run with the Skyline. If not, then yeah, whatever. Wheels actually came out super nice, especially where we actually used the good quality clear. Yeah, it came out like really nicely. But yeah, it's a bit unfortunate. Well, I'll try and get it sorted. We'll see how it goes. It actually started going weird after I drove it in the rain though, and I think if it's already stuffed now, it's gonna keep being stuffed. You can see there's a hole down there that goes straight through to the ground. We did drive it in the rain, and it just, yeah, I mean after that it hasn't really run right, so it's coughing and splattering all over the place. So we'll take it out, clean it with some brake cleaner, see if it fixes it up, and hopefully we should be able to go out for a mountain run tonight. Right, so the goal is maybe, hopefully, we can get this off, just spray some contact cleaner on it, hopefully clean up that AFM a little bit. We should be good to take this for a drive. If not, I might have to source another one in Brisbane somewhere. Okay, see if you can see, nothing looks out of the ordinary there. That black bit's a little bit weird. It's sort of like a little bit bent, but I guess it's not really an issue. Plus there's that little bit of oranging on the sides there. I will try and clean it up as much as I possibly can, but you know, I've just had so many issues with these, but we're going to be going to a Link ECU very soon. I just have to order it, so yeah, it'll be coming soon. See if we can clean this up, see if we can get it going. Righty, so the car's pretty cold. I'm going to run the car for a bit, see how it goes. It's pretty low on fuel actually, so could be another contributing factor. But the fact that when we unplug the FM, it works. Just going to run it for a bit, let it get up to temp, see if it still does it, and see if it revs nicely. I mean, if it revs nicely and just has that little bit of idling weirdness, I think it should be fine. We'll see how we go, hey? Make sure it's not in here, that'd be bad. See how we go, just leave it running for a bit. Alright, so I'll let it run for a little bit. It actually sounds nice now. You guys can hear it's not playing up or doing anything weird. Rightio. Let's move some stuff out the way. I'll give it a few little test revs, sort of up to 2,000-ish or something, and see how we go. Let's just quickly turn the lights on so you guys can see. Yeah, it's nice actually. Yep, this would be sweet.